hit the thumbs up, that's a like. Then hit subscribe and hit that bell. Hey boys and girls, Mr. Smith here today. I'm going to show you how easy it is to draw one of Disney's favorite cartoon dogs. And her name is Bluey. That's right, I'm going to show you how to draw Bluey today. So get your paper, your crayon, your pencils, whatever you got. Let's sit down and let's learn how to draw Bluey. I'm going to make a rectangle shape with curving sides. I'm going to make 4 straight lines coming down out of the rectangle for Bluey's legs. Curving lines coming out the bottom. I'm going to bring them around to touch the straight lines for her feet. 2 rounded triangles for her ears. I'm going to make a oval shape that will be for one of her outsides of her eyes. I'm coming around for horizontal line, curving down and around for her snout and bringing it almost to the eye. Half of an oval for her other eye. Now I'm going to make curving lines and 5 little fingers and another curving line for her arm and hands. Now I'm going to do 4 more fingers for her other arm and 2 straight lines connected to that. 2 curving lines for her tail and the little fluffy end. I'm going to put the pupil in the large eye and a half pupil. Now I'm going to erase inside the snout. I'm going to make a horizontal line and curve that around for her nose. Now I'm just making a curving line and bring that around underneath the snout, connect that for her mouth. I'm going to start making some lines for some of Bluey's badging on her face. She has a couple little badges on her back, a little cuff on her tail, 2 more on her legs, and another one on her arm. She has a big badge on her tummy. Now I'm going to make her eyebrows, and we are just about done. Now I'm going to quickly outline with magic marker, and then I'm going to take my drawing and import it into my iPad and start adding color. You can start using your crayons, your pencils, magic markers, whatever you have to add color to. And if by any chance you have any problems, I am going to leave a downloadable coloring page of my drawing of Bluey that you can download. It will be at the bottom in the description of this video. And I hope that you enjoyed drawing with Mr. Smith, and I want you to come back soon and do another drawing with me of another character. So right now I'm just adding some of this yellow that's in her snout. I've added most of her blues, eyes, blending a little colors around her mouth. And we are almost done. I really had fun drawing Bluey today, and I hope that you enjoyed it too. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my video with a friend. And please remember, come back and see Mr. Smith again. Bye-bye.